In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to use Quick Start to configure Cloud Lifecycle Management, CLM that is, so end users can provision virtual machines. When using Quick Start, there are two basic approaches. One uses VMware and a vCenter server. The other approach uses Amazon EC2. In this video, I'm going to focus on the Amazon approach. To perform a procedure like the one I'm going to demonstrate, you'll need certain information. You'll need credentials for Amazon Web Services, that is AWS, a private key and a certificate, an Amazon availability zone, an Amazon machine image, that is an AMI, a key pair value needed to access an Amazon EC2 instance, and you'll need to log on to CLM as the cloud administrator. For a full list of all the information required for Quick Start, see the help for BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management. First, I launch CLM, the administration console. Then I open Quick Start. I select Add Amazon Connectors. I click Add New. I enter a username. I enter the private key, which I obtained earlier from Amazon Web Services. And similarly, I add the certificate from Amazon Web Services. I click Save. And the spinning wheel indicates that it's working. We can click View Events to view the progress. This step can take several minutes. When it's finished, to confirm the activity, we can go back into CLM, the Resources workspace, select Pods. You can see all the pods that have been created. Click Resources, and you can see all the virtual clusters that have been added. We go back into Quick Start. Now I'm going to create an Amazon environment, which defines the compute, storage, and network resources available for a virtual machine. Click Add Amazon Environments, click Add New. I enter a name for the environment. A description. For AWS account, I select the user I created earlier. I select EC2 for Amazon Web Service. For Amazon Pod, you have many choices. I'm going to select one. And the availability zone automatically loads. Click Save. Quick Start is creating the environment now, but rather than going back to the home page, it stays in this location because there is one more step to perform before the environment is complete. This step can take a couple minutes. When it's done, you want to enter a network alias. That becomes the tag that is applied to this network. Click Save. Now to confirm this activity, we can use CLM. Go to the Resources workspace, click Network Containers, and there's a network container with the name of the environment that we assigned. Now back to Quick Start. Now we're going to create a service offering. We click Add Services from EC2 AMIs, click Add New, enter a service name, a description, select the environment we created earlier, select the network associated with the environment you just picked, for AMI type, select Public. For AMI, you have to enter the name of the AMI you want. If you selected Public in the previous option, there are now thousands of AMIs to choose from, so you have to enter the name of an AMI. For key pair value, you have to enter the key pair that you obtained from AWS previously. Pick a default size. A price. We'll charge per day, and click Save. We can watch the progress of this action until it's complete. Now I'm going to create a tenant, so I click Add Tenants and Entitlements, select Add New, enter a name for the tenant, a location. For environment, I select the EC2 environment I created earlier, and for offering entitlement, I select the EC2 service I created earlier, and I click Save. To confirm this activity, I can click View Events. You can see the actions that are being taken. Quick Start is creating a tenant, mapping the tenant to a container and a service offering, applying tags so the policies line up, and creating locations. Now we create a user. I click Add Tenant Users, select Add New, provide the first name for the user, the last name, a login name, password for the user. For role, you want Cloud End User. And for tenant company, I select the tenant I just created. Click Save. Now to confirm that we have provisioning capability, we log out and log back in as the user we just created. Select My Cloud Services console. Click the Service Catalog tab. Select the service we just created. And you can see we have the ability to submit a provisioning request.